Hey everyone, welcome back to Explore UPSC. I haven't been uploading videos since long as I was busy with my college and other stuff. So here I am with my college vlog. In this I have shared my college routine as well as how I was studying during my college, and I have shared details regarding a book at the end of the video, so do stay till the end. These small morning rides towards the metro station are really pleasant and soothing for my mind because at this time of the day I can actually listen to the birds chirping, I can feel the cold wind, and there is no rush, as well as the atmosphere is really pleasant, which is what I love about the morning hours. And after this small ride, I am at the metro station by around 7:30 or so, and then I leave for my college from the metro station. It takes around 20 minutes to reach there. These metro service has been a boon to all of us, even the private sectors, not only students but even the private sectors who have been trying to save their time, who have been trying to catch up with other things after their office or so. After taking a small Maggie break, I sat for my second study session, and here is the important book which I would like to share with all of you. It's Lucen's General Knowledge. This book is really helpful for many of us. I didn't know about this book earlier while I was making the video, but while I was searching books for making my assignments, I came across this book, and it is really helpful for BA students to get an idea about what their course is. Plus, this book is really helpful for competitive exams. This has a real brief information about all the subjects. For example, ancient Indian history, we come to know about literary sources in detail, yet it is precise detail about geography, about history. So I would recommend others to actually go through this book once. If you are a BA student, then for sure, and if you are studying for some competitive exams, this book is going to help you get brief knowledge about the subject, brief insight into the subject, and it will be really helpful. Solutions General Knowledge is a great book. I hope it is helpful to a lot of you. And no, this is not a paid promotion or anything. I just love this book and I wanted to share it with my viewers. After this, I wrote my polity syllabus as I messed up with the previous one, and then this was it for the whole day. I managed to study like this during the college. After the college, I take few sessions of studies, and after that it's done. I had some ice cream because ice cream in winters is really a nice combination for me. I don't know how many of you love it, but yep, that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all your support. I would definitely make videos on the comments, like syllabus for mains and other things which you have discussed in the comment. Yet I was really busy these previous days and I was not able to make any video. I was not able to comment, so sorry for that. But I will be making videos soon and uploading them, so do press the bell icon, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support till now.